Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Satellites in orbit follow strict physics rules that we can solve in seconds. Let's find the kinetic energy for this circular path right now. First, we must equate the gravitational force to the centripetal force. This means setting g times both masses over the radius squared equal to the mass times velocity squared over radius. Next, we simplify the equation by canceling one radius term from both sides. This leaves us with the satellite mass times velocity squared equaling g times both masses divided by radius. Finally, we multiply both sides by 1/2 to match the kinetic energy formula. This gives us the final result found in option A. Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush to prevent signs errors. Always trust the given orbital variables.